Get a Viper remote starter system installed. First of all, what is a Viper remote starter system? Viper is a well-known brand name for alarms, particularly car alarms. Its logo is a snake, yes, a viper, hence its name. There are different Viper systems available, and these systems fall into three general categories: a combination of security and remote start, security only, and remote start only. Apart from these general categories, you should also know of other available features, such as a two-way remote system, which enables you not just to send signals to your car but receive feedback as well. Know also that signals that you could send to your car include commands such as to arm or disarm, to lock or to unlock, and to start. It also has a unique car finder system, handy especially if you tend to forget where you parked your car. It's recommended that you have a professional install your Viper remote starter system. It's good to know that many websites offer basic install services once you purchase the system from them. Plus, know that the detailed instructions for installation will depend on what model Viper you purchased, such as the Viper SRT10, and the make and model of your car, such as a Hennessy, for example. If you're interested in learning how to install your Viper remote system, here are some basics you'd need to know. Know the different tools and parts that come with your Viper remote starter system kit. Some of these main components include the main harness, relay harness, siren, and hood pin, remote, shock sensor and antenna. You should also have a user's manual, so you would find out which wires connect to which part of your car. Prepare your tools. Some of the tools that you'd need include a power drill, drill bits, wire strippers, extra wiring, electrical tape, screwdrivers, crescent wrench, a 10 mm deep socket, and sockets, 6 mm to 10 mm. Read your user's manual. Your manual should have a detailed guide on how to attach appropriate wires to your car's system. Do know that most of the installation will happen in the smart junction area of your car, which is found at the front area of your car, below the passenger seat. Look for online tutorials. Video tutorials will help you see for yourself how mechanics and car professionals install car alarm systems. One helpful website that you could go to is at 5minute.com. You could also check out the Directed Electronics and the official Viper website so you could learn more about the Viper Smart Start system. Yet another way to go is to join automotive discussion groups, such as ecoustics.com, and post your installation inquiries. Browse through other users' questions and see if you could learn from them as well. Hire a professional and learn from him. When all else fails, contact your trusted mechanic and have him install the system for you. Make sure that he is well trained to install car alarms, specifically the Viper brand, and take the time to watch him as he goes about the process. Write a checklist of things to ask, such as what the common problems are and how you could troubleshoot them, and how to maximize the use of your Viper system. Do know that installing a car alarm system is a very complicated process, and knowledge of basic mechanics and automotives is required. Take the time to learn more about the Viper system, along with basic car alarm installation procedures. Good luck.